Hey, welcome to all. I am Bharat Sharma from Steady Die Casting Solutions. As noted earlier, porosity within a die casting is often a combination of gas and shrinkage, and direct observation of the shape of the porosity does not always identify it accurately. Therefore, another method of defining the major contributor of porosity is by how the porosity reacts to process changes. Listed below are two experiments that may be helpful. Let's discuss about first experiment. If the casting has a fill time that is at, or lower than, the maximum calculated fill time when the gating and runner system are calculated, the troubleshooter can assume that flow porosity is not a problem. Therefore, the experiment can be used. Test first, slow shot velocity should be slow and die coat spray should be low at defect area. Experiment number 2, slow shot velocity should be as calculated and die coat spray should be low at defect area. Experiment number 3, slow shot velocity should be low and die coat spray should be high at defect area. Experiment number 4, slow shot velocity should be as calculated and die coat spray should be high at defect area. Collect at least 10 castings per test to assure statistical significance. The slow shot velocity should be tested at the current velocity versus a low setting of 9 inches per second, or at the critical slow shot velocity if a slow shot velocity below 10 inches per second is the current velocity. Die release in the defect area should be tested slightly below and slightly above the current setting, plus minus sign 10% is a good range. If the porosity defect is smaller during tests 3 and 4 than tests 1 and 2, the majority of the defects are shrinkage. If the results are the opposite, then the majority of the defects are gas. If the porosity defect is larger during tests 2 and 4, assuming that critical slow shot velocity is used in 2 and 4, then tests 1 and 3, the source of any gas porosity is from air trapped in the sleeve. However, if the results are the same or the opposite, the defect is gas porosity due to either moisture in the die cavity or poor venting. Thank you very much to keep watching our videos. Keep contact to Steady Die Casting Solutions for your all die casting solutions. Keep learning till death.